Marked day 5. The solution of the imprint is to intake the inner case study. The inner case study is a provision of a separator or a tracker or a division or a something in relation to questionnaires. Each questionnaire that you compromise, the issue of a matter is an uneven order of the digital colorful world. Once you have programmed the digital interfactual or structural or something in that way, the program of a tester can also be pronunciation of an adverb. If you divide that by the A435 and the A341 is the hexa in relation to the binary. As each binary, the area of expertise is to simple the tasks of A3.4 and A3.1 once you have positioned yourself into the digital color of the world. But and however, based upon the assumption of time, the period controller can be pronounced in the adverb based upon the section of 3.4 and 2.6. Linna 1.8 and 2.4. Linna 3.5 and 3.6. Linna 3.1 and 2.4. Linna 55.3 to 4.61. Linna 55.10 to 1.84. Linna 381 1842. RG compression 3824. RP compression 2983. RP compression 82186241. Decode encryption key 1821 5536248213 ABC Dyn 1 and Dyn 32.962.84 ZG TFG client access key 1821 1824 2841 2841 fold PWR 1641 Unix side math condition of evenness. The math condition of evenness, once you have the key frame, you need to know the intellectual copy tissue of the intellectual copyright, because the intellectual copy tissue and intellectual copyright is an element of the design. If there is an uneven order of the digital color, the wonderful world of Wizard is to compose itself into an orchestra, and each orchestra that you compromise the issue of a matter, you can also compromise the issue of the tissue paper to actually keyframe the chain reactor. When you have the key frame, it's not there yet. Once you have that, the reactor will mother frame the key structure in relation to the infrastructure, and also to destruct the demolition, and each demolition is to equalize the pattern by 1 and 2.1 syncing into Python. The Unix is a dividend of the LLM. Good. Once you have that, you can also program the test paper of 984 and 241. If there is an uneven order, this is for my dogs. This no fried rice today, it's just steamed rice. If there is an uneven order of 9428 scrambled eggs, 9248, you can also function into the area of expertise. It's just eggs and a little bit of milk. Once you have divided that into a separator, you can also 16, 92, 73, 45, 46, 73, 49, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 40, 40, 42, 47, 48, 43, 49, 45, 47, 48, 49, 50, 56, 57, 58, 59, 30, 30, 34, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 22, 23, 26, 27, 28, 29, 20. Mà mốt có nói cái này cho má. Tại vì hồi trước con làm ở nhà hàng ở của Pháp ở Collins Street. Cái đó cái 2-3 tuần nữa. Hồi trước con nấu Italian food cho Miss Scott. Hồi trước con nhỏ quá còn với không nói đó. Okay, the key change reactor. The key change reactor is a provision. It's a provision of the access point, and any access point that you deserve, Justin Malik. You can also sort it out in relation to the internal affair, and each internal affair you will compromise the issue paper of the 9th round. The 9th round is one of the hardest key change reactor in relation to the grid of the cell, and the grid of the cell is one of the most severe server in the mainframe. When you have a severe server in the mainframe, it will bash itself into that way. That's what it means by bash. Oh, I forgot to upload some of my stuff on iPhone. Sorry, that's what bash means, this. When you do that, the CP9 and the CP8 is an artifact in relation to Dan Murphy, and also to compromise the issue of the tissue awareness and to predict the service fee. And in that way, when you predict the service fee, you will be porting out into the reaction, and any reaction of the energy of the cell, you will compress the insult. When you compress the insult by the either not police or army, I'm not there yet, you can predict a Reuben. Yes, there is a there is a difference between Reuben and one of my old friend Reuben and Ruby. The three Kane reaction is called the 3 Kane reaction, and each keyframe reactor is a gridding system in relation to the cells, and each cells by the brainstorm of creative ideas and analog the digital dial tune. The digital dial tune is compromising the testifier to guard and build your development of the infolow technology. Once you have equalized the partition and to realize the Python, because the Python is the third key of the mainframe by the chain reaction. When you have the chain reaction, you have to pin out the data of the bash. In that way, you are undoing a certain amount of lazy on and to degrade the movement of your posture. In that way, once you have the black moon, you had the blue moon though. Once you have the black moon, you have to compromise the artifact. Because in the ancient world, the artifact is a diaphragm. No. It's an alien sound in that far, far, far away, beyond and destroy. That means insult. That's how I act. It means insult. But just don't worry about the alert and warning as yet, because later on I will help Westfield to code the underground and the uppercase to chain reaction the frames, and also to network into a linear. And each linear, I myself have to study the graph, and once I study the graph, we will get the histogram in relation to After Effects and style the wave of the platform. You will achieve a certain amount of advertisement and the promo in relation to SAP, and to develop the linear. When you develop the linear by the graph, you will share into Oh, share into CCSF cargo. Here, you share into that. In that way, when you import into a certain amount of country with the chain reaction, you decide what to sell and also decide what to feed the element of a subdivider and to polygram. Yes, polygram, the third, fourth, fifth, seventh key reaction. In that way, when you have the seventh key reaction, you will unturn the data of the network to the movement of your posture. And in that way, the transmotion of the element, you have to compromise the gotcha. It's a male posture. See? Natural. You have to act natural to do this. I already had my mom present, but I forgot to upload that one. But I'll look into it later and I'll upload it. I can't record half now because I have the internet, but I don't have Wi-Fi. But wait for that one. I'm just using my personal spot. Thanks.